My 2-minute conviction is healthy leaders take reasonable risks. We cannot be risk averse, but fear often paralyzes us, and fear is this double-edged sword. There's healthy fear. We call that reverence or respect for real danger, like as in the fear of God or the fear of busy traffic on a highway as you walk across with a toddler in tow. That's healthy fear. But so often it's the unhealthy fear that drives our decisions and our postures in the circumstances of life and leadership. The acronym being that fear stands for false evidence appearing real. We can be afraid of success. We can be afraid of failure. We can be afraid of what people will think, of what people will do in response to the decisions we make. We can be afraid of setting expectations that we can't fulfill. We can be so driven by fear that it actually illegitimizes our leadership. I love this quote from Seth Godin. He says, "Anxiety is nothing but repeatedly re-experiencing failure in advance." What a waste. Healthy leaders know how to take reasonable risks. They know how to balance the healthy fear from the illusion of danger, which often preoccupies us. So in life, that is, in your leadership in the home, at work, in business, in community, we need to be able to calculate reasonable risks, not live with such a cautious, anxious disposition, differentiate respectful, reverent understanding of true danger from all that masquerades as the possible threat. And then we can make decisions that set a course for those around us. So there's my 2-minute conviction. Healthy leaders take reasonable risks. They're not driven by fear.